Slowly taking in my body like it's holy. I've been waiting for you for the whole week. I've been praying for you, you're my Sunday king.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, for those of you guys who are new, and if you're not new, welcome back. And if you are new, I don't usually sound like this. It's because your girl is sick. I haven't filmed a video in about a week because I've been literally dying in my bed. I've been literally drowning in cough syrup. I've had the nastiest cold I've had in the longest time. And I've been having the worst luck as well. This is actually my second time filming this video, and now someone's calling me on FaceTime. Yellow. So let's try this again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new, and if you're not new, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I did a really cute slay my face, beat that face makeup look for those of my people that wear glasses out there. As you can see, I'm rocking these cute little frames today. People that wear glasses usually think that it's impossible to wear a full face and still slay and wear their frames, but I'm here to say that that is fake news. It is extremely possible to wear a full face and slay while wearing glasses, and I'm here to show you that I am living proof. In this video, I give you guys tips and tricks on how to keep your face smooth and beat while still wearing your glasses, tips on how to make your eyes pop through your lens, and tips on how you make your lips look like this. These super cute frames that I'm wearing today are from an optical online company called FIRMOO'S.com, and FIRMOO'S.com is a company that sells really trendy and fashionable eyewear glasses that have prescription and that don't, like these right here. FIRMOO'S.com has very affordable prices, as you guys could see on their website. They range between, I believe, $10 and about $40. They're very affordable and it's very great quality for the price that you're getting. They got you on this. When I tell you they got you on these really cute glasses, really cute frames with prescription, they got you for the low. They have locations based in the US, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, Europe. Like, they're based almost everywhere, so shipping is going to be great for those of you guys that live in those areas. And speaking of shipping was very standard. It took about less than a week to come. Shipping is a little under $6, like $5.95, but let's just round it up and call it $6. Very fast, very quick, very sturdy. I will leave a clip right here how it came wrapped. I'm just going to insert it, but you guys can see they took their time in wrapping this so they can make sure it doesn't get ruined throughout the shipping process. I'll leave the style number for the glasses that I'm wearing right here in the description box, and I'm also going to leave FIRMOO'S latest promotion, which is you get your first glasses from FIRMOO'S for only $5. $4.95 to be exact. So go ahead and check that out in the description box. You don't want to miss this chance. Trust me, you guys will not be sorry. If I have known about this company a few months back when I actually needed them, because maybe I would not have lost my driving glasses because they're really clunky and bulky and ugly, and I don't wear them, which is why I currently do not know where they are. So let me stop rambling and get into this video. Before the video starts, you know the drill. Don't forget to subscribe down below, like this video, and leave a comment. And one more thing, please ignore my energy in the video. I'm really tired. I'm still kind of sick, as you guys could hear, and honestly it's 12 o'clock on the dot, and then you can see I have 1%. Like, my life, my phone is me right now, drained. So yeah, please ignore that. I'm so sorry I was off in this video. My energy will be much better in the next video. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is frame your face. Your glasses frame your face as well as your eyebrows. So you're going to want to do your eyebrows to your liking, and preferably a little bit thicker and dramatic than you would do it on a regular day. So what I'm using right now is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz, my favorite eyebrow pencil. And I'm going to be taking the wrong side, the spoolie side, and just brushing my eyebrows up. And I'm going to be doing them a little bit thicker, not darker per se, but a little bit thicker than what I usually do. This is just so our eyebrows are not the center of attention, but they do draw attention to our face. Since our eyes are going to be covered for the most part with the glasses, our eyebrows, our skin, and lips are what is going to show more. I'm making hair-like strokes going upward. Then when I get to the arch, I'm going to do it going to the side. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera. All I did was just fill them in with the brow pencil, and then I used my ColourPop No Filter Concealer to conceal and carve out my brows. Next, to darken it up, I know I said I wasn't going to darken it up, but I'm just going to do something very, very light. I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit, and I'm taking the darkest shade. I'm taking the darkest shade right on top. I'm going to fill in like from the middle of my eye right here to the end of the tail. So I'm taking the little brush that it came with. I'm going to dab that inside. I'm going to gently just swoop the product over my eyebrow. And I'm using a light hand because this does get dark really fast. So to avoid that, you want to pack this on very lightly, and you do not want to go to the front of your eyebrows because they will get dark and you will be. Now I'm taking a spoolie. I'm just going to brush through that so all the product can run through smoothly. So we're almost done with brows. So the last thing you want to do is take an eyebrow gel, either a clear gel or a tinted gel. You could honestly even use clear mascara or tinted mascara or brown mascara. It really doesn't matter what you use. Just something to hold your eyebrows in place. And I'm going to be using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel, and I'm going to be brushing this through my eyebrows. This gel is perfect for those that wear glasses because sometimes you like to lift your glasses up above your forehead, and this gel just keeps everything in place so it doesn't move any product and mess up your hard work. So we are done with the brows for right now. We're going to be going on to our eyes next. I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Deep Golden, and I'm going to be using this to prime my eyelids and blending this out. Because we're not doing any crazy eyeshadow today, I'm going to be setting my eyelids with the Maybelline Fit Me Lucent Powder, and this is in medium deep 30. I'm just going to be taking this and just setting my eyelids, and I'm also going to set the concealer above on our eyebrows. Moving on to the eyes, I'm going to be using this Beige Cosmetic palette. This is the Modern Max 28 eyeshadow palette, and for eyes, when wearing glasses, I like to keep it very simple, very mute, but today I'm going to jazz it up a little bit just by adding something in the crease. I'm going to be taking this flesh tone color right here, or any color that fits your skin tone. I'm taking this color right here with this e.l.f. Professional Blending Brush. No, I'm sorry, eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna be packing that on my lid. Nothing too crazy, just something to kind of have like a nice mute base, yet still adding some color to our lid. So to add some more depth to our eye, we're gonna be adding a darker brown in the crease, and I'm gonna be taking the brown next to the color I just used, this nice warm brown right here, with this Morphe M441 brush, just to deepen up the crease and make it look a little bit like we tried, like we had to put in some effort. So I'm putting down the crease and I'm just going to blend this out. So to make our eyes pop even more, we're going to be putting eyeliner on our lid. And we're going to be doing a baby wing because the frame of our glasses are going to cover the rest of the wing. So there's no point in stressing and trying to do the perfect wing liner when you're not even going to see it. So what I'm going to be using today to achieve that is the L'Oreal Telescopic Eyeliner. And this is in Blackest Black, I believe. No, charcoal. So this is the baby wing we're going to be working with today. I have not done a baby wing in a hot minute. Oh wow, who am I? Anyway, this is what we're gonna be working with the baby wing right now. So here's how the eyeliner is looking. Very little and very baby-like. Eyeliner, it really accentuates your eyes, especially when the eyeshadow is so simple. So we want to add something extra to make the eyes pop, and you want to do anything too crazy because the frames of the glasses will cover it. So this way we save time and we look good at the same time. So next, going into eyelashes, you guys could keep it simple and just do mascara if you want. Me being the extra bitch I am, I'm going to be putting on lashes. Get lashes that are short and that wing out to the outer corners of your eyes. lashes to accentuate the eyeliner even more. And you want to get short eyelashes, which is obvious because you don't want the lash to touch the lens of your glasses and bother you and all of that. So the lashes I'm going to be using today, I'm not even sure where they're from. It's called, I think this is, I know they're from Quota. So it's either Kiss or Ardell, but these don't look like Ardell packaging, so I'm gonna say they're Kiss lashes. Okay, so now we have our lashes on. As you guys could see, our eyes look more flirtier, they pop a lot more, and they just look ready to shine through those lenses. So next we're gonna go to our face, and ideally if you have oily skin, you want to use a drying primer. There's one from Becca Cosmetics that is perfect for all my oily skin peoples out there, and it literally sucks up all the oils in your face. Your girl here has dry skin, so that is not for me, so I will not be using that. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Prep primer, which is a silicone primer to prime my face. It's good to use one that is oil free because your face produces natural oils already, and if you wear glasses, when you sweat and produce oils around your nose, it makes your glasses slip and slide, and that could be very annoying. So to avoid that, we're going to be using, or you guys should use, a drying primer. But if you have dry skin like me, any silicone primer is good. Just use it at like the bare minimum. Like I literally put just 4 drops on my face and I spread it all around to make sure I got a smooth, clean canvas. So usually I would color correct my dark circles and around my mouth, but today I'm going to be skipping that step, mainly because the glasses frames are going to be covering most of our eyes, and it's no point to put in the extra effort trying to cover up these circles when we're going to use concealer anyway. So we're going to jump right into foundation, and what I'm using today is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation, and this is how it looks. I'm in the color Warm Coconut, and it's good to use a full coverage foundation so we don't have to take the extra step. Put the orange color corrector. So I'm using a stippling brush today to make sure we get just like a smoother airbrushed finish. We're really gonna get under our eyes since we skipped that step. Get around our nose. You only really need 1 pump of this foundation. As you can see, I literally made 1 big pump stretch all around my face, but if you want to, you could go that extra step and put 2 pumps or build this foundation as much as you would like. So next for concealer, I'm going to be taking one of my full coverage concealers to cover up any dark circles that we might have. Urban Decay All Nighter Concealer, when it looks like this, and I am in the color Dark Golden. I'm going to be putting just 3 dots under our eyes because again, the frames are going to be covering it, but it's just to make sure that our makeup looks flawless. Putting 3 dots under my eyes, and I'm going to highlight the top of my forehead just slightly and my chin. Taking a damp beauty blender, I'm going to blend this out. Now to highlight those exact areas, I'm going to be taking my NYX HD Studio Concealer, and I am in the color Caramel, and I'm going to be putting this in the same exact spots I put the concealer, just to highlight and brighten up our face through those frames. I'm gonna try to avoid the sides of my nose where the glasses actually sit on, because we don't want to put anything there to make it cakey. Next, I'm gonna be setting that highlight with some Laura Mercier translucent powder. Next, we're gonna contour, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation stick, and there's really no restriction for a contour for those of you who wear glasses, so go crazy with that. What I'm not going to be doing is contouring my nose, again, because we want to avoid any cakiness around our nose area where the glasses actually sit on. So I'm just going to blend this out using the same stippling brush I used for my foundation. Taking my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm taking the darkest shade right here. The contour shade just to set the contour that we just made. And after there's really no restriction with our glasses. Next is blush, and there's highlight, then there's lips. Go crazy with that. Next for blush, I'm taking this Revolution blush palette, and I'm gonna be I'm just going to warm up my face with this color. So for highlight, I'm going to be taking the Illuminating Pro highlighting powder. I'm going to be putting these at the high points of my face, my lips, But for nose, I'm just gonna put it at the tip of our nose. Put a little bit right here too. Just after that, it's time to set our face. And I just used the Maybelline Master Fix setting spray to set all that. Then we're gonna go back to the eyes with mascara, and I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara, one of my holy grails. I've been using this mascara since 8th grade. Just going to go in to blend these lashes together. And then you guys know I love a popping bottom lash. The last thing to do is to add our lipstick. And when wearing glasses, because our eyes are so bland and it's covered up, our lips are the only thing that really actually pop. Our lips and our eyebrows. So that's why our eyebrows have to be very dramatic and very full to frame our face. And now our lips is going to be dramatic as well. It's best to wear a dark color or very bold color to really stand out, and we could actually have fun with it. So the lipstick I'm going to be wearing is from e.l.f. and it's in the color Deep Burgundy, and this is how it looks. I'm just going to roll it up for you guys. It's just a really pretty deep red color. Well, not really red. This is more of like a really dark pink. I'm lining my lip with a Color Pop lip pencil in the color Pitch, my absolute favorite. These are the finished lips right here. This is how they look. You guys could wear any color that you prefer, or any color that matches your outfit of the day, or anything like that. This is the one I picked. Something very simple yet very bold and very pretty, if you ask me. So yeah, this is our glasses friendly makeup look, as you guys could see. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope these tips helped you. If they did, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday.